Hi there, are you studying English and preparing for an IELTS exam? If so, watch the rest of this video to discover a new, interactive way to prepare for IELTS that doesn't involve live lessons. Welcome to WordCraft Publishing, a website that offers a series of asynchronous lessons dedicated to helping students prepare for their IELTS speaking and writing exams. What separates us from most other IELTS material online is that you will have the chance to have your speaking and writing assessed by a professional teacher with detailed feedback provided. The lessons on our IELTS speaking course and our IELTS writing course contain the following: a 10-minute introductory video with added subtitles and visual aids, exercises based on established course books and original content, authentic audio clips embedded for listening exercises, an opportunity to submit one of the IELTS writing tasks or to record your own audio clips for one of the IELTS speaking tasks at the end of each lesson, and finally, personalised feedback after each submitted task. Access to all of this is available for 1 month at around half the price of the official IELTS provider. In addition, all of the 10-minute videos can be seen for free right here on YouTube. If this sounds interesting to you, but you are still unsure about how the lessons work, please click on the course tutorial in the description for a more detailed explanation. So who is that professional teacher I mentioned? Well, that's me. My name is James and I'm from England. I've been teaching English for 13 years. And I've taught a wide range of subjects around the world, including exam English and university preparation for students. I've also worked as a teacher trainer and a director of studies, and this website was developed for my master's degree, which was in professional development for language education. I also hold the Cambridge Delta and Trinity Cert TESOL teaching qualifications. I therefore believe that I am the right person to help you with your IELTS preparation, so click on the link below and I look forward to working with you.